right, this is starting to bubble. I better turn that off or it pops at me. Okay, so I think we're about ready to assemble. Move that over there. So step 5 says preheat the oven, check. I spray the pan, I've done that. Now we're gonna put 4 noodles down. We're gonna put some white sauce, 4 more noodles, and then all the red sauce and noodles, and then the white sauce. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go over here. Here's my pan, I've already sprayed it. Okay, we're gonna put our noodles down. Said 4 noodles, there they are. Okay, we're gonna put half the white sauce. All right, look at that. Can you see that? Adding a bechamel sauce to a tomato pasta sauce really adds a lot of flavor. It's really kind of nice. Okay, now let's add some more noodles. So a friend of mine was making this tonight as well. She beat me to it, but that's okay. It inspired me to get off my butt and start cooking in the kitchen. She added a lot more stuff to hers. She added spinach and I think it was feta cheese. Right, Michelle? Can you see that? So there's all that extra meat in there. With those vegetables. All right, and this is a simple plate for 4 people, but really this is going to feed my family of 7 with leftovers, so it's gonna last. So now we're going to put more noodles. And there's a little bit of extra noodle here. Did they give me an extra noodle, or was I short? Can't have too many noodles. I'll just put it across. All right. My hands are a little wet, but let's put the rest of this white sauce on. Okay. Can you see that? Ooh, heavy pan. Okay. And then we don't have to cook this for an hour like you normally do for lasagna. We just cook it for about 15 minutes till it's bubbly and the cheese on top starts to get bubbly and brown up. And this fried cheese actually gets bubbly and browns up. It's great. So here's the cheese. Take a look at that. This was freeze dried. It's be pretty hard to tell the difference. So I'll finish adding this cheese, and then there's one more spice to add, and then we'll pop it in the oven. And I'll take a picture when it's all done, so you'll see what it looks like. I think that's all of that. I'll just get that seasoning. There it is. The Italian seasoning. And then we're going to pop it in the oven. Nice thing about Simple Plate is their stuff is, like, their recipes are top quality. It's what you'd expect if you went to a restaurant. Like, it's really top quality. All right, so This is our lasagna. Wish you were here to eat with us. This Friday, I am having a drop-in night, my first drop-in night. I'm not going to have a big presentation or anything. I'm just going to show some of the items that are on sale this month and taste some things, talk about some things with you, answer any questions. So if you want to stop by, feel free. It's from 7 to 8. Stop in for 5 minutes, stop in for an hour. I'll be here and waiting to see you. So I'm just going to put this in the oven. I will post a picture when it's done. And thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful family day. See you later.